Hi, my hi pula.
Hey guys,
Hello.
how are you guys doing today?
Great.
But I'm so happy. I'm excited.
She had a chocolate, that's why.
So, you guys know why are you here today?
No.
I actually got something for you guys to unbox.
Ooh.
What is it?
Here you go.
Cool.
It's mine.
The iPad Air, cool.
I have the
Smart
iPad
keyboard.
mini.
I think this goes with this. Nice.
So, you guys can unbox this.
Now? Right now? I tore it.
Oh, this comes out so smoothly.
Dun, dun. Me first. Not me first. Come on.
Should I tear this too? Or
Tear everything.
If only I can find that slit.
Use your fingernails. iPad mini.
Wait for me.
You're slow. Oh no, I have the Apple Pencil too. I can do this.
iPad Pro.
Do this.
Keyboard.
iPad Pro. This is supposed to be for the iPad Air.
But it says iPad Pro.
Alright, sure. Dun dun dun. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
it doesn't reveal. Dun 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 dun. It still doesn't reveal, but okay. Dun 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 dun. This is the first gen Apple Pencil, okay?
Unhinge, you heathen.
Oh, they have an extra tip.
Alright, so
Take it out, take it
looks
out.
like we've got the 3rd gen iPad Air here.
And the 5th gen iPad mini. Take it
And
out,
I
take it
think
out.
we've both got gold version.
Yeah, but it kind of looks pinkish. Kind of looks like rose gold more than gold. Yeah. How do I take this? So this is the 5th gen iPad mini. I can hold it with one hand.
Alright, it looks pretty slick so far. Ooh, before I forget, I have the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard here with me.
Reveal. Reveal.
Alright.
Can I start it up yet? I'm gonna start it up.
There it is, folks. iPad Pro keyboard. That's supposed to work with the iPad Air 3. We'll check it out later.
Attach it, attach it.
Ta-da!
So we just finished unboxing the iPad mini and the iPad Air, and what's in these boxes are actually pretty similar. You get a power adapter that is in 2 pieces that can be connected. You get a lightning cable, and for me, obviously, I got the iPad mini, which actually look very similar to the iPad mini 4, but it actually comes with a true tone display, so the white balance can be adjusted accordingly depending on your environment. It has increased storage. This unit has 256GB of storage and it has 3GB of RAM. And the best part about this iPad mini 5 is that it is powered by A12 Bionic chip with neural engine. So technically, if you get the base model, it's the cheapest iOS device you can get with neural engine. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, my turn. I have the iPad Air 3rd generation with me, and it's got this 10.5-inch Retina display that is fully laminated, meaning broad daylight viewing experiences are much better. Just like the iPad mini, it's got an A12 Bionic chipset with neural engine. It's got 256GB of internal storage, but you can get it with 64GB of internal storage as well. And just like the iPad mini, it has 3GB of RAM. At the side here, it's got this 3-pin smart connector that you can use to connect to your keyboard. You just connect it like so, and you will have a keyboard in a jiffy, like so. There you go, keyboard.
Tap, 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 tap.
Thanks, Yvonne. Oh, and before I forget, our version here comes with cellular connectivity. You can also get it with the Wi-Fi only variant.
Yeah, so mine has the cellular variant too, so you can see that there's a SIM card tray right here. And another thing is that both these iPads actually have improved front camera. So the front camera is actually a 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera now. And the best part for both these devices is that it now supports Apple Pencil, but it's the 1st gen one. But it's still as good. The only difference between the 1st gen Apple Pencil and the 2nd gen is that it doesn't magnetically attach itself, and there's no wireless charging, so you actually still have to charge it in a very weird way. But other than that, in the Apple Pencil box, you'll also get an extra tip in case you ruin the first one. And there's also a, I'm gonna call this a dongle. In case you can't charge with your iPad, you can actually still connect this and charge it with the lightning cable. So the iPad mini comes in 3 colors, silver, space grey and gold, and it starts from a price of 1,699 ringgit. But if you get the unit like mine with 256GB and also the cellular support, it will actually cost you 2,899 ringgit.
Similarly, just like the iPad mini, it comes in 3 color options as well. The iPad Air 3rd generation starts at 2,199 ringgit, while if you get the range topper like ours, it's going to cost you 3,399 ringgit.
A few moments later.
Okay. So guys, what do you guys think about the new iPad?
I love it. I love how tiny it is. Legit, it's iPad mini. I can hold it with one hand. And I also like that it's with a A12 Bionic chip. I'm dying, oh my god. A12 Bionic chip, because playing game on this is like super smooth. Super smooth, but I'm dying, guys.
I think it's pretty slick. PUBG looks great on this. And I kind of like the keyboard.
I need health. I need health. Where's the health? I've got no gun.
Okay, guys, I need outro.
So that's it for our video today.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, 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 bye. Give me a gun.